Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can close an ongoing meeting poll for your groups on Calendly in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Calendly, click into scheduling here on the left, and here switch to or from event types to meeting polls to get an overview of all of your ongoing group meeting polls. So guys, if your group members, for example, team members have already given or cast their vote for the given group meeting, you would like to close the meeting poll, you may do that by deleting the given meeting poll, for instance. So to deactivate the invitation link, click into these three dots here, and after that click into delete. And after that the event link will no longer be active, as you can see. So even if someone has access to it, like your group members, he or she won't have the permission or won't be able to participate in that group meeting poll. So let me remove that example group meeting poll here. There you see, the poll has been deleted. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.